Hey, this is Factorising Daily 5, number 2. You may want to pause this video now, have a go at these questions, and then watch the video to see what the answers are. So our first question, common factor. So looking at these two terms, they have a common factor of 3. So we get 3 outside of x plus 2. Second question, we have a common factor of b plus 3. So that can come to the front. And then in the second bracket, we'll go what is left over, which is the a plus 7. Number 3, difference of two squares. So we write it as x squared minus 3 squared, and then we're able to write x plus 3, x minus 3. Third one we've got is x squared minus 5x plus 6. So we're doing our a, b, c. Our a is equal to 1, our b is negative 5, and our c is equal to 6. So our AC is equal to 6 and our B is equal to negative 5. Now we're looking for two numbers that will multiply to give 6 but add to give negative 5. So we're going to want two negative numbers because two negative numbers will multiply to give a positive and then add to give that negative. Now with 6 we could do negative 3 and negative 2. So then we're able to put that straight into the bracket because it's that monic, it's got a equals 1. So we're able to write x take 3 x take away 2 as our answer. Now our last one here is a non-monic, so we can't use that exact process, but we start the same way. So we'll write a equals 5, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to negative 1. So our AC is equal to negative 5, and our b is equal to 4. So two numbers that are going to multiply to give negative 5, but add to give 4. So we can have a positive and a negative number. So if we make that negative 1 and positive 5, they will multiply to give negative 5, but when we add them, we will get a positive 4. Now, we can't go straight into the bracket like we did in the previous question because our a is not equal to 1. So what we're going to do is replace that middle term with these numbers here. So we're going to write 5t squared. We're going to have take away t plus 5t, or we could have done them in the different order and written plus 5t take away t, take away 1. Now we're going to look at the first two terms and see that there's a common factor of t. So we have 5t take away 1 there. And here we just have a common factor of 1. So we write plus 1 and we get 5t take away 1. So we have a common factor of that bracket of 5t take away 1. So just like in that second question, we take that out the front and then we put our t plus 1 in the second bracket.